How to disable audio and video calls in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can disable audio and video calls in Messenger. There's basically two different ways that you can do so let's get through the video. The first thing, if you just open up Messenger, now if you want to ignore someone and you want to ignore the audio and video calls, you can simply tap and hold on that chat, and then you can simply tap on mute option, and there you can see mute message notification, mute call notification, and mute message and call notification. If you just wish to mute the call notification, simply tap on call notification and tap on OK, and you can mute them for until you change it, or 24, 8 hours, 1 hour, or 15 minutes. Tap on OK and their calls will be muted. You won't get neither audio nor video call notifications. Now if you just want to disable all audio and video calls, then you'll have to make some changes in the app permissions. You can simply scroll down notification bar, head into settings. Under settings, you can search in for Messenger here, and your Messenger info should open up. App info, under app info you want to tap on permissions option, and here you want to disable the camera option. You want to set it to don't allow, and you won't be able to get calls. Similarly, in order to not get video calls, you want to disable your microphone access for audio calls as well, for audio and video calls this way. So this is the way you can disable audio and video calls in Messenger. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.